Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to log into your X account or Twitter account. Make sure you have the Twitter account or X account installed in your mobile phone. Make sure you have a strong internet connection as well. Then at the bottom left you can see have an account already. Click on login. Then you have to fill the following details that is associated with your X account. I'll use my email address. After filling the details, you can click on next. Enter your password. Make sure you haven't forgotten your password. After entering your password, you can log in. You have officially logged into your Twitter account back again. Thank you for watching this video.